what's up? And you're watching Caterpillar Network, and today we're gonna make a bag using fabric and of course the glue gun. So let's start. So I already cutted some piece of fabric and we're gonna glue the two edges. Carefully face the glue gun. Oh, so let it melt it. Here. Carefully with a hot object. And voila, you're done. This is no sewing bag. And also you can put some things, doll or doll stuffs inside. Just the smallest one. Okay. And that's it for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and see you next time.